Rain woke me up this morning. Hey, you. And it's raining right now, so I don't know if we're going to be walking. I got to bed after 11 last night, again. And up 7:45. Slept pretty hard once I got to sleep. Had a dream. My dream was about... There was a couple I dreamt about. I was in some kind of a circus. It wasn't a tent, but it was like a tarp. I had a chair, one of those soft chairs you sit in by the fire underneath it. And there was some kind of a big stage. It was almost like a big amphitheater, kind of like the one in Ada. When we were part of the circus, and we all had these tents. And at one point, I got a horse, and I was riding the horse around. Having some difficulty there. That was new. Never dreamt about riding a horse before. And that's about it. Oh, look at that yawn. I didn't quite get all of that on tape. Hey, pretty eyes. Oof. Yeah, you're so sweet. Oof. Oh. Here's the other girl. Hello. Hello. Oh. This one's jealous. So it's rained all day, and I don't know if we're going to get to walk tonight. I don't know if I'm even going to go out in it. The river is way up. It's really hard to tell. Usually you can see some green there. Certainly don't want to go outside with the phone in pouring rain. This one's chewing. And this one keeps going outside in the rain. She saw some kayakers on the river and she was really, really not pleased. Watched Andromeda. Well, part of an episode of Andromeda, but the disc was damaged or something and it made a mess of it. Didn't really care. Just kind of over that show altogether. Look at these girls. Hello, sweet baby girl. Hey, darling, are you tired? Little tired girl. Oh, look at your paws. Let's get you. Can I get you covered up? Did you leave enough that you're not on? There you go. She likes to be covered up, but she also lays on the blankets. This one is sweet. Sweet girls.